is all about you, our home loan counselors, who work tirelessly every day to make home ownership a reality for so many families. I want to start by saying thank you. Mortgage Buddy wouldn't be here without you, and I look forward to achieve great things together. Here is to a fantastic evening, and thank you once again for all you do.
Well, good evening everybody. Welcome to Home Loan Counselors Meet 2024 presented by Mortgage Buddy Private Limited.
Co-founders of our company to come on board. A big round of applause everybody for Mr. Rakesh, co-founder and director of finance, Mr. Bhushan, co-founder and CEO, and Mr. Swapnil, co-founder and director of sales. Can we have all the sweet gentlemen?
I would request our executive directors to come on board, Mr. Hardik and Mr. Srinivas.
This event is all about celebrating you, the heart and the soul of home loan industry. We are expecting a support from you, which will make us all have a great future and great business together. Thank you.
Executive director with us. Let's have some chit and chat. Mr. Hardik, hi, welcome. कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया।
Well, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि क्यों होम लोन काउंसलर्स को मॉर्गेज बडी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के साथ काम करना चाहिए?
मॉर्गेज बडी के साथ काम करने के बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं। वन ऑफ देम इज़ टाइमली पे आउट। टीडीएस टाइमली जाता है। काफ़ी पुराना एक्सपीरियंस है एसबीआई के साथ, ऑलमोस्ट 7 years का एक्सपीरियंस है और काफ़ी अच्छा टीम है।
Let's welcome our co-founder and director of sales, Mr. Swapnil.
तो हमारे चैनल पार्टनर्स को ब्लॉगिंग से लेके डिसबर्समेंट तक और उनका पेमेंट उनको जाने तक हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं।
Now it's time to welcome our co-founder and director of finance, Mr. Rakesh. What are your future goals for Mortgage Buddy and how do you see the company evolving in the coming years?
Let me tell you, Mortgage Buddy is a hardcore sales and distribution company for financial products, mainly into secured products like home loans. In the near future, we want to expand our operations pan-India, like we are doing very good in Pune and Mumbai, and the same we want to replicate across the India.
Time to welcome the co-founder and CEO of Mortgage Buddy Private Limited. Let's have Mr. Bhushan Salunke. Sir, can you tell us what challenges do you see home loan counselors facing today and how is Mortgage Buddy addressing them?
I think the biggest challenge for home loan counselors is delay in payouts, and there are a lot of compliances issues. So in Mortgage Buddy, we make sure that there is no compliances issues. The payment process is faster than other competitors. Also, we give them coordinator support.
मॉर्गेज बड़ी में एक दिन ऐसे ही एक पॉइंटर बने जिसमें होम लोन के माध्यम से सभी एजेंसी को कनेक्ट करें। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।
It is nice to see जो day one से हमारा सिस्टम था, right from your mortgage buddy onboarding in SBI. How does that how company in SBI? I would tell knowing what is file should be there, what file can be there, and how company we can be doing that file.
आइए जानते हैं इनके एम्प्लॉयज़ के साथ कि कैसा रहा इनका एक्सपीरियंस विद मॉर्गेज बडी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एंड क्यों आप सभी को ज्वाइन करना चाहिए मॉर्गेज बडी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड।
So I loved the event today. It was absolutely fabulous and I'm truly glad to be associated with Mortgage Buddies only because of zero compliance issues, super fast payout, excellent coordination. We are never stuck anywhere because of Mortgage Buddies and of course I'm not going to let go of them because of this.
आमचा बिझनेस ग्रो करण्यामध्ये पण त्यांचा खूप आम्हाला सहकार्य होतं, तसेच त्यांची पूर्ण टीम आहे त्याचाही आम्हाला खूप मदत होते बिझनेस वाढवण्यामध्ये। मॉर्गेज बडी अजून खूप मोठी व्हावी व सर्वांना सोबत घेऊन कंपनी ग्रो करावा अशीच माझी इच्छा आहे।
I've been associated with Mortgage Buddy as a home loan counselor. So basically how we are getting benefited is from their timely compliance and the main benefit, which is 72 hours payment, which we receive just after the file is over, plus the back-end support which we get from them, like from the checking the files and everything. It is very much beneficial for us, and this is why we, the young people and everyone, are currently associated with Mortgage Buddy for the business, and we hope that we'll be continuing this in the future as well. All the best to Mortgage Buddy for their future endeavors.
बेसिकली मैं लोन इंडस्ट्री में काफ़ी टाइम से हूँ, 2016 से, बट मॉर्गेज बडी से जुड़ के मुझे रिसेंटली 6 महीने हुए हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा हुआ मेरा। और इवेंट्स वगैरह जो भी हैं वो मतलब इंकरेज करते हैं कनेक्टर्स को, ताकि उनके अंदर से काउंसलिंग बाहर निकले और वो अच्छा कर सकें। आई होप, मैं बस यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगा कि हम सब मॉर्गेज बडी को एक अच्छे लेवल तक ले जाएँ, ताकि हम सब भी अच्छी अर्निंग कर सकें और कुछ अचीव कर सकें लाइफ में। थैंक यू।
टारगेट अचीव करते हैं तो आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी भेजते हैं।
I am associated with the Mortgage Buddy since a year now, and I have been working this industry since 6-7 years, and it's very good to see Mortgage Buddy how they had focusing on one specific bank, how they are making the product king and making up the so viral, and they're very focused to the services that they want to capture only with the SBI. After coming Mortgage Buddy in the picture, the process had become so easier to disburse the home loan amount from the RICPC. So I like the very the planning, the strategy to just focus on the specific one bank and make it a bigger brand with the help of SBI.
Can anybody guess what is the next destination? But absolutely right answer is Singapore. Everybody is looking lovely. जिन्होंने भी हमारे साथ participate किया, and everyone who's sitting